Task number 8, Introduction to the Burp proxy. We are inside Burp Suite the Basics module, complete beginner module basically, Burp Suite the Basics room. Task number 8, the Burp proxy is a fundamental and crucial tool with Burp Suite. It enables the capture of requests and responses between the user and the target web server. This intercepted traffic can be manipulated, sent to the other tools for further processing, or explicitly allowed to continue to its destination. Key points to understand about the Burp proxy. Intercepting requests. When requests are made through the Burp proxy, they are intercepted and held back from reaching the target server. The request appears in the Proxy tab. We can see it over here, the proxy, interceptor on, and we have an intercepted request, allowing for further actions such as forwarding, dropping, editing, or sending them to other Burp modules. We have a forwarding, drop it, interception, action, or the open browser, which is the proprietary Burp browser. To disable the intercept and allow requests to pass through the Burp without interruption, click the Intercept is On button. You can see that it's highlighted in blue. Taking control. The ability to intercept a request empowers testers to gain complete control over web traffic, making it invaluable for testing web applications. Capture and logging. Burp Suite captures and logs requests made through the proxy by default, even when interception is turned off. So this logging functionality can be helpful for later analysis and review of prior requests. Also, if you use the proprietary browser of Burp, everything will be requested by default. WebSocket support. Burp Suite also captures and logs WebSockets communication, providing additional assistance when analyzing web applications, logs, and history. The captured requests can be viewed in HTTP history and WebSockets history subtabs, allowing for retrospective analysis and sending the requests to the Burp modules as needed. And here we see from the Proxy tab everything that you navigate on the browser. Proxy specific options can be accessed by clicking the Proxy settings button. You can see we talked about this in the previous video. This option provides extensive control over the proxy's behavior and functionality. Familiarize yourself with these options to optimize your Burp proxy usage. Some notable features in the proxy settings are response interception. It's by default. The proxy does not intercept servers' responses unless explicitly requested on a peer request basis. The intercept responses based on the following rules checkbox, along with the defined rules, allows us for a more flexible response interception. So we see from the proxy settings in the response interception rules, we have checked intercept responses based on the following rules. Master interception is turned off, and also checked or request was intercepted. All right, so we have that interception checked. Match and replace. The match and replace section in the proxy section enables the use of regular expressions regex to modify incoming and outgoing requests. This feature allows for dynamic changes such as modifying the user agent or manipulating cookies. Take the time to explore and experiment with the proxy options, as this will enhance your understanding and proficiency with the tool. So, as you can see in the proxy settings, in the attack box machine, request interception rules actually are a bit different from what we see in the TryHackMe screenshot or snapshot. By default, we see the file extension. So we'll intercept request if the match type of the file extensions does not match. Right here we see all the file extensions. Right here we see a different rule. Right, we can add rules or remove rules. All right, answer the questions below. Click me to proceed to the next task, our favorite kind of question. Thank you.